A wheel starting from the rest has a constant angular acceleration of 1.4 radians per second. In a 2.2 second interval, it turns through an angle of 125 radians. How long has the wheel been in motion at the start of this 2.2 second interval? So basically, you have to read the question very carefully, because if you misunderstand the question, then you might do a mistake. So basically, in this case, it's asking, so in 2.2 seconds, it basically moved a certain angle, which is radians, 125 radians, in a time of 2.2 seconds. So in this question, is asking before starting this 2.2 second, how long it needed. So basically, we have to find this time. Of course, if you it started from, say, here, which angular velocity was 0 radians, okay? Angular speed was 0 radians. Now we have to find that time. So how can we find it? Now, first of all, we have to know what was the initial velocity when it started this 2.2 seconds. So initial velocity. So initial velocity basically for this region, but for this region, initial velocity will be like a final velocity, okay? Okay, so let's write down the equation where we have theta is equal to the omega initial. So we're considering for this region 1, okay? Initial velocity time plus alpha t squared over 2. So first of all, we have to find what is the initial speed, okay? In that case, so what do we have? We have theta minus alpha t squared over 2 divided by the time. So if you do calculation, in my case, okay, let's just do it. So theta is 125 minus the alpha in our case is 1.4 multiplied times 2.2 squared divided by 2, and that one divided by the time, which is 2.2. So I got like 5.55.3, okay, radians per second. Now, since we know that, now we have to find this time. We have another formula where alpha is equal to the omega final minus omega initial divided by t, and from there we can just find the time, where omega final minus omega initial divided by the alpha. So omega initially it was started from the rest, and omega final is equal to the 55.3 divided by the alpha is 1.4. So if you do calculation, you should get like 39 seconds. 39 seconds. So that's it.